What's going on, guys? JSGC Vlogs here, back for another video. Today we're going to be doing my hotel review of my stay at the Premier Inn at Terminal 4 London Heathrow Airport. We're going to be staying in a Premier Inn Plus room today. I'm excited for that, so we're going to go and check it out, do our full review looking at the hotel, looking at the room, looking at what's to do there, and not forgetting checking out, I think they've got a pub in there as well, so we'll check out some food and drink too. So should be a really good stay. When you do arrive at London Heathrow Terminal 4, you do have about a 10-minute walk down this lovely looking walkway to get to the hotel, so that's just what we're doing. So yeah, there we are. So if you are enjoying the content, please do subscribe, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and do get your thoughts in the comments below. We're making some progress. We got the Hilton London Heathrow here, got the Holiday Inn as well, all along this walkway. I'm not gonna lie, it stinks in this walkway as well. It looks like it stinks as well. Still 2 minutes away from the Premier Inn, but you've got the Crown Plaza and Holiday Inn Express down there. And you've got the Hilton just up there, and we're staying at the Premier Inn, so we're going up here. It doesn't smell as much in the Premier Inn walkway, which is good. So we've got a Costa coffee to enjoy. We've also got some free Wi-Fi as well, and a refreshing shower. And finally, a comfy bed. I'll be the judge of that. In we go. We're in room 786 today. Premier Plus room, card key operated. Let's have a look. First thing to activate hotel, we need to pop it in there. Let's have a look around. So as we go in, first up, bathroom on the left with a good sized mirror and lighting, sink with some hand soap provided, and your toilet and loo roll. Decent sized bathroom, towels provided, and also not just a shower but also a bathtub with all of your soap provided as well. Decent sized bathroom with a mirror just as you come out. Also got areas to hang up your coats and an ironing board just by the front door, which does have a lock, do not disturb sign, and a peephole. Also got sockets with a hairdryer, additional towel here, and your iron, along with some hangers and spare accessories. In terms of the bedding, coming over to the room, got a good sized television on the bed, an area here for your luggage as well, plenty of room. Now I think that's one reason why I'd really recommend an upgrade to a Premier Inn Plus room, because they are just slightly bigger with more stuff for you to get your value for money, in my opinion, and plus they offer just a little bit more comfort and a little bit nicer looking, and they tend to be newly renovated as well. So that's my top tip. If you're ever in any Premier, not just limited to Terminal 4 at Heathrow, if they're offering Premier Inn Plus rooms, go for them. They do also offer early check-in at Premier Inn, so check-in time is at 3 PM. You can pay to check in early. It is £10. Now over past the bed, got a decent sized desk just here if you want to do any of your work. Also got a big sized mirror as well if you like looking at yourself whilst you do some work. Do have a fridge just down here on warmer days down in London, pretty useful. All drinks on the bottom are our own, so they're not complimentary. You do get a couple of bottles of water, which are complimentary. You also have a rubbish bin here. Here you've got your decent sized bed. I'd probably say that's a king size bed, with a couple of bedside tables, with both sides having not just lamps but also your plug sockets next to the bed and USB with some purple LED lighting above the bed as well. Now, also included with your Premier Inn Plus room, you do get access to free Wi-Fi, and you also get access to the Premier Inn Ultimate Wi-Fi, which is I think quicker than the regular free Wi-Fi. We've also got a chair and footrest right here. You'll see we've just been having a nosy at the menu, and that's because we're going to be heading downstairs for tea, or dinner as the world might know it as, but up north in England we'll call it tea, where we'll go and enjoy some food which we have already prepaid for, because you do get a better deal. So we paid £71 for the room. We've then added on some extras, so we get our meal deal dinner at £13 each, which equals £26. We've also included a drinks beverage at £3 each, and we've also included breakfast, and our early check-in takes us up to £141 for the total stay, which was convenient for us, as it allows us to have something to eat night before our flight and of the morning of, so we're not rushing around frantically before our flight out to the United States of America tomorrow. So just the last thing to show in the room, these curtains, by the way, are doing a brilliant job, because it is actually mid-afternoon, and you wouldn't think it with how dark the room is, so they block out the light really well. I'll open it up and you can see how bright it is. Get a lovely view of the Premier Inn at Heathrow Terminal 4. I can see some parking down there, so I presume if you bring in a vehicle you can park here. Doesn't look like this window can be opened, and because of that we're taking full advantage of the air conditioning, which can't be brought any lower than 19 degrees, but we can send it up if we want it to be a little bit warmer. And it isn't too loud, and it's blowing in a nice breeze. And I think all in all it's not too shabby, but I always judge a room based on how comfortable is the room. So we'll be able to give a better verdict on that tomorrow. So let's head downstairs and let's go and check out that dinner package and see how nice the food is at the Premier Inn. Bed is pretty comfortable, to be fair. You do also have a kettle and an espresso machine, coming with some complimentary tea and coffee making facilities, and you also do get some chocolate as well. Very nice. Here's what we're on. Oh, the Coca-Cola, you can upgrade. And my choice of food today is the crispy chicken goujons, and for my main I'm going to have the Thai green vegetable curry. Sounds very nice. You get 2 courses, you can pick desserts instead as your options.
What would you like?
Showing my wife on cheesy potato dippers for her starters, and their cheese and bacon burger. There's the potato dippers, and here's my chicken goujons and barbecue sauce. I'll let you know how they are at the end of the video. Here is the green Thai veg curry and some rice. Smells delicious. There's a burger, chips and coleslaw. Rightio then, tea. Chicken goujons, very nice. Sean's potato things that they had, it's just a very posh way of saying you're having chips. So it is just chips. But the chicken goujons for the starters, very nice. For the mains, the Thai green veg curry was nice. Not my favourite, but still pretty delicious. Sean on the burger said it was very nice as well. So I think food overall here at tea time, very nice. And I am looking forward to trying breakfast in the morning and seeing how comfy that bed is once and for all. So we'll go and get off once we've had our drink, and we'll see you in the morning. Interestingly, there is a little vending area over here. Yeah, snacks, drinks, and if you've forgotten something, travel adapters, toiletries, and what's not.
The next day.
Good morning. We can comment on how comfy that bed is. Managed to get a really good night's sleep, and I have to say, I had the air conditioning on all evening and all through the night, and I'm absolutely freezing now, which is good on a warm day. It means the air conditioning very much is doing the job. Just a few other notes about the room. Bath, decent. Shower, only okay. Room, very comfortable. Overall, for the price, pretty decent room for a one-night stay. The hotel also, no outside noise. Had very little noise coming from the corridors as well, which also is a really good thing. So we're going to go check out breakfast. We had tea yesterday, which was nice, so we'll go and see how the breakfast is. And we do have some cooked stuff as well. The English breakfasts, which smells divine. Sausages, bacon, scrambled egg, black pudding, eggs, hash browns, tomatoes and shrimp, and beans. And there's your breakfast menu, which of course we've got included on that dinner and breakfast deal. Got cooked breakfast and continental, along with yogurts and fruits, spreads and jam. That's worth its weight in gold. Unlimited tea, coffee and juice. I'll be trying to get my money's worth by having a couple of rounds, so just starting nice and light early in the morning before we go into the cooked breakfast. So just pan au chocolat. I've just got some cereal with some Cocoa Pops. This pan au chocolat looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that's very nice. Very nice. Cocoa Pops are nice and crisp, not stale. And we've gone full chocolate overload with a hot chocolate. Which is very nice, very milky. And the reason that it's so milky is they don't have a hot chocolate option on the machine, but they do have chocolate powder, and if you put hot milk in and mix it together, tip. As our cooked breakfast, I've just gone with some orange juice. Gone with a bit of everything other than the black pudding. Not a real fan of black pudding, so I'm sure all the black pudding lovers now will come for me in the comments. Also got some toast. Done. Breakfast was very nice. The cooked breakfast was nice. The eggs were cooked perfectly. Hash browns, good. The sausages, not too bad. Toast, very nice. Bacon, pretty good as well. Beans, mushrooms, pretty solid option as far as I'm concerned, and I think it's an excellent option to have included with your dinner if you're doing an overnight stay, either before your flight out from Heathrow or if you're coming back as well and you're not pushed for too much time in returning to wherever you need to be. So overall, a very decent stay at the Premier Inn Terminal 4 here at Heathrow. As I said, my recommendation, get yourself that extra bit of comfort, pay that little bit extra, go for the Premier Inn Plus room and you won't go far wrong. So that has been today's video. Do stay tuned for more review videos, flight review videos, hotel room tours and hotel complex tours, and so much more here on the JSGC Vlogs channel. So don't forget, leave a thumbs up, do subscribe, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you all for the next one. So have a nice day everyone, peace, ciao for now.